Sige. O yan. O, tapos biyakin mo sa gitna. Uy! Nadurog. Ang lakas mo naman. Kalahati ng spoon. Half spoon. Okay. Do it. Yes. Just put a little bit, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Diyan.
Baka bigla naman ito.
More. Put it inside. Yeah, like that. Okay. Wow, galing. Now you have an egg. Galing Eliana. Now put it your pot there. In the sink. In the sink. Put it in the sink. Yes. Ba't may nawakan? Alam mong mainit.